Well, it feels great after having revised my model 4 times in the past 24 hours. It feels refreshing to be done with it. I would say that this was quite a rapid course, and the transformation that I see in myself is um, like over and over again, I have realized that how important it is to be dedicated in life, how important it is um, to understand topics, not just in theory, but also how to apply them in real life. Well, Dr. Andrew, I met you earlier during one of the CFA Society events, and like during the event when you showed what this entire bootcamp was about, and it was quite similar to how what I see, what I want to do in the future. So I couldn't resist but join this bootcamp.